Hello everybody, welcome back to JohnBoys Small Engine Repair. My name is John. Got a little something different I want to show y'all. Gonna upgrade. Right now I record with a phone, and so I'm gonna upgrade to this camera here for doing the videos. I ordered off of Amazon. Right. So this is the first time I opened the box. I mean, I took it out of the Amazon box, but don't mind my mess over there. I just moved into this building. I'm slowly getting it organized, I guess you can call it. I have kids, so some of their stuff's out here. Let's see. So warranty card. I guess this is the name of the camera, Rollin. This is for a computer. I have a gaming, mid-range gaming PC. And I don't think it has a CD drive on it. So we'll have to see how I can download that. I don't know. I don't know what that is, honestly. So let's go ahead and open this up. Tell you with a remote. Which will be good for me. Don't know if there's a battery or not. I never heard of this company before, so we'll see how it goes. Plus have some video cables here. I'm gonna try to open it up without dropping y'all. Yeah, just some video cable. I believe this can be used on a computer as well for a webcam setup. I'm not sure. It's just audio cables. I believe it comes with one battery or two batteries. I'm not sure. There's the battery. Little bitty thing too. And it has the charger. Yeah, this is the power brick. Everything pretty well packed in here. I don't know what that's for. This is the charger cord, I believe. I'm gonna have to have a vlogging camera or camera to do this. Yeah, this is just the charging cord for it. This, I don't know what this is. That I don't know. Oh, this is HDMI cord. I don't know what. I know it's HDMI. I just don't know. In here, let me just get this box out of the way. Let me set this tripod up so you guys can see. Right now, looking at the back of my building and this camera. Oh, there goes my big finger in the way. I know I'm not professional like some of the people that do YouTube and vlogging, but this is all new to me. I do a gaming channel. If you want to subscribe to that, it's X Speed Racer X4. I'll just set it on my desk or my tool chest here that I just bought recently. It's a nice looking little camera. It's small, but you don't want no camera from the 80s on your shoulder Let's see what size the screen is on this. We'll look in the manual together here. I think it's a 3-inch screen or 3.5-inch screen. I know it's 1920 by 1080, which is good. Yeah, it's a 3-inch screen, which it's fine. Let me switch hands here. And this should mount onto my tripod. I think there's something in my building. Probably that crazy cat that I have. Let's hope it's a cat, not a snake, because we have foxes around here, which have killed my chickens and the neighbors' chickens. But yeah, just want to show y'all this. Rollin, I never heard of it. Must be an off-brand or something. Comes with obviously the camera, the remote, charging cord and HDMI for your TV to the camera. Instructions. I don't know what that is. The warranty card. Some audio cables for I guess for your TV. The CD to install it, and then the little battery. So I just want to show y'all that. I may do a video of me of it being set up, but that's gonna wrap this video up. I appreciate it. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribing costs nothing here on YouTube. It'll help the channel out, and there'll be some more videos upcoming of ride mowers being repaired. I've got some push mowers I need to repair and service. And then I'll do one of probably this building I'm in. I put that in yesterday. Well, I moved it. It was down in here, and I just moved it into here. I need power in here. That's gonna wrap it up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, y'all take care of each other.